Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. Here to show you guys like what I just picked up, you know. Couple of things, you know. And we're gonna check out, first of all, we're gonna check out these tweeters. You know. Yeah. I got it upside down, sorry about that. So we got the SoundStream tweeters, they like 1 inch. We'll pull them out real quick. Yeah, let's get them down there. And they're not big at all. I mean, it's just giving me something that I can upside down. Okay. It's just giving me a little help, you know what I'm saying? I might buy 2 more of these too. Might buy like even 3, you know, I might buy 4 more of these. Because they so small. I just want to try a couple of them up in the car to see how they gonna sound. But I know for a fact that's gonna help out my hands a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And also, you know, before we get to the big guy, you know what I'm saying, I just want to show you guys like some of the stuff I picked up. Alright, here we go. I probably could have edited that though, but you know what I'm saying, it's nothing. But this is Dynamac. You know, that's gonna be going up on the top of the trunk. Cause I don't think this is enough to do the whole entire trunk. You know, it's like 30 feet by 1, so I don't know. It probably won't be able to do it though, but that's the Dynamac, y'all. So we're gonna be taking away some of that rattling away. But let's check out what we all came here for. Alright, y'all. You know, I haven't even opened this yet. I haven't not seen it yet, so let's go ahead and check it out. There we go. Oh man, it's like right on the top already. Woo! Do we see that? Do we see that amp? Do we see that amp? God damn, it comes in a big old box too. We're gonna get it out of here though. Alright. Alright, we back, y'all. We back. Man, that was a tough one. That was a tough one to get out of there. I mean, we're gonna get it out of here though, man. This is a big boy. All right, it's got a birth certificate, right? So it says, I mean, on the birth certificate it says I can get my 3126 out of 1 channel. You know what I'm saying? 1% THD. So I guess we'll see. Man, this boy is big. Let's get it out of here. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Alright, here it is, y'all. Here it is. Man, this is it looks even nicer in person. But let's check it out. Let's check it out. This is a 3,000 watt amp. 3,000 watts by 1 ohm. And as you can see, this on the top of the amp rack right now. I don't know. I might try to get the amp rack done while we got things going on right now. You know, get it all screwed down and everything. But it comes with a voltmeter on top, by the way, too, guys. You know, RCA jacks. Got the gain. As you can see it. You got the level. I don't know, the HPE. I guess that's the 30 hertz. I guess that's the high pass filter, or I can't remember what it was right now. You got the phase shift. You got the equalizer, bass equalizer. And man, I mean, looking good here, y'all. Looking good here. Let's go to the other side. Let's go to the other side. Yeah. Well, you got four speakers on that, but it's only a one channel amp though. But I guess you got 4 speaker wires. And look at the huge 1 ohm output. I like it. I like it. Well, zero gauge amp output. Give me 1 second. We're gonna get the SoundStream amp in. Let's check out what's coming in the bags too. So it's your bass knob with like a clip on it. Steel. Okay. Yep. Pretty good. Whoa, got some connections over here. All right. They sent me some free connections. Thank you. Wow, I got some alley wrenches in, so that'll help for the amp. Even though I got me a pack of them already. You know what I'm saying? If you're going to install music, you know what I'm saying, you need to have one. Yeah, let's check out this real quick. Check it out. Come with a little fuse too. You know, I think it's a 200 volt fuse. Give me 1 second. I'm about to go get the SoundStream amp and put them up together and compare them. Hold on. Yeah. I'm gonna get a better shot of them. We gonna get a shot of them now. Yeah. There's a difference. Man, it's like kind of like, I think it's like 4 inches bigger. I know the good thing I'm very happy about is look. You know what I'm saying? You only got 4 gauge inputs there. You know what I'm saying? Well, here you got 1 gauge inputs, which I'm not gonna have trouble with. This, you gotta cut the wire down and all that stuff. It was definitely a struggle sometime. You know, 8 gauge. I think it's 8 gauge. I can't even see it from here. Yeah, those are 10 gauge speaker wire. Oh my gosh. And these are 8 gauge. You know, it's just a size comparison. You know what I'm saying? Whew. I can't wait to see how it's gonna sound in the car. I'm gonna go ahead and put the amp rack together, get it ready, and as y'all can see, the little amp rack on it too. You know what I'm saying? I gotta put the battery on there. The battery is right there. Don't pay attention to my messy kitchen, y'all, cause all I do is work and mess around with YouTube and hook up sounds and bang music. So you guys have a good one. You know, if you like the video, like the video. If you ain't already, subscribe. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.